Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make origami grass. First, gather your materials. 1 square sheet of green paper, ideally 6 by 6 inches for beginners. Ensure your workspace is flat and well lit. We'll start by making the initial base folds to prepare the paper for shaping. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the correct structure and realistic appearance of the grass blades. Let's begin with a simple diagonal fold. Next, fold the paper in half diagonally, creasing it sharply, then unfold. Repeat this diagonal fold in the opposite direction, unfolding again. Now, bring 2 opposite corners together, allowing the other 2 corners to collapse inward, forming a perfect triangle. This creates the preliminary base, which is essential for the subsequent steps. Smooth out all creases firmly to ensure a crisp final product. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying learning how to make origami grass, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Speaking of clear instructions and enjoying your hobbies, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for following along with craft guides or relaxing with a good book after your creative projects. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, with the triangle base complete, we'll create the grass blades. Carefully cut thin strips from the open end of the triangle, stopping about 1/4 of an inch from the folded edge. Be precise with your cuts for a uniform look. Gently curl each strip using a pencil or your finger to give the grass a natural, flowing appearance. Adjust the curls until you achieve your desired grassy texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.